In this video, I'm showing you how to ceramic coat your windshield in just minutes. After the application, you'll deal far less with bug splatter, those hard water spots, and of course the grime that just won't come off your windshield.
Your windshield needs to be completely clean, dry, and in the shade, or better yet, indoors with good lighting for this to work properly. Be sure the temperature is above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm cleaning my windshield with invisible glass and a glass cleaning microfiber towel. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I'll include links to the products I use in the description below. If you can't get your windshield perfectly clean with a glass cleaner, I suggest you strip your windshield with invisible glass stripper to make absolutely sure it's perfectly clean. I've got a great YouTube video that shows you how, which I'll also link in the description below. And I suggest you wear disposable rubber gloves for the application. I sped up the video in spots, but also sped up the timer too, so you can see exactly how long this process takes. Now for the fun part. Shake your invisible glass ceramic coating bottle well. This ensures the formula is properly mixed. Apply about a dozen drops of the coating directly onto your applicator pad. You don't need much, a little goes a long way. Working on one half of the windshield at a time, start at the middle, work top to bottom, applying a thin coating of the ceramic, slightly overlapping each pass with the next one. Reload with another 6 or so drops to finish the first half of the windshield. Then apply back and forth horizontally, starting at the top and working your way down. Basically, we're applying the ceramic coating in a crisscross pattern to make sure we have coverage everywhere. Continue this process in the second half of the windshield. Reapply a few drops to your pad as needed. The key here is thin, even coats. Don't glob it on.
Ceramic coating creates a hydrophobic barrier that makes water bead up and roll right off. It improves visibility in both rain and snow, and it makes cleaning easier and protects your glass from contamination. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick car detailing tips.
You'll notice a rainbow effect on the windshield coating, which tells you the coating is starting to flash or haze as it bonds to the glass. This is normal and exactly what we want. Immediately after you've coated the entire windshield, but definitely not more than 10 minutes later, you'll need to level it. Don't let it sit too long or it'll be much harder to remove. Be sure to tear off any tags that are on the included microfiber towels. Take the black microfiber towel and level the coating on the windshield by wiping up and down in a vertical manner. You're removing the excess product by leveling and revealing that crystal clear hydrophobic finish. Then immediately before going on to the other side, using the light gray towel, buffing in a circular motion until there are 0 streaks and the glass has been buffed perfectly clear. Hold your head at different angles to check with the light for any remaining haze, wiping any that you find. Then finish off the other side of the windshield exactly the same way. Once completed, be sure to throw away the applicator and the microfiber towels when done. They cannot be reused. Let it dry indoors for 24 hours before washing your car or letting the car sit in the rain. Don't wash your car for at least a week afterwards to make sure the ceramic has totally cured. Check this out. Now your windshield is perfectly clear and fully protected with the ceramic coating. Watch how, after drying for 24 hours, when I pour water over the windshield, 99% of the water just beads up and rolls right off. This is the hydrophobic effect in action. Now in the rain, water will sheet off your windshields at speeds as low as 35 miles per hour.
Now for a quick and easy way to clean the inside of your windshield, click here for my video and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments, add them down below. I read everyone.